This human impact project on COVID-19 and social distancing was made using Google Slides. What's the problem? Interacting with anyone outside your household. Why is that a problem? COVID-19 spreads mainly among people who are in close contact, within about 6 feet, for a prolonged period. Spread happens when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or talks, and droplets from their mouth or nose are launched into the air and land in the mouths or noses of people nearby. The droplets can also be inhaled into the lungs. Recent studies indicate that people who are infected but do not have symptoms likely also play a role in the spread of COVID-19. How can the spread of COVID-19 be mitigated? Social distancing. What is social distancing? Social distancing means not interacting with anyone outside your household and limiting trips to places where you might interact with other people. It is strongly recommended that you only leave your home for essential travel. With social distancing, droplets launched into the air from a mouth or nose would less likely land in the mouth or nose of another person, thus lessening the chances of spreading COVID-19. Social distancing is one of many strategies that are put in place to mitigate the spread of COVID-19. A few of the strategies used along with social distancing are staying at least 6 feet away from others, wearing a mask while in public areas, not touching your face, washing your hands often for at least 20 seconds with soap and water, and sanitizing surfaces. That's just to name a few. What can you do right now to help mitigate the spread of COVID-19? Only leave your home for essential travel. When you do leave your home, be sure to stay at least 6 feet away from others. Do not gather in groups. Stay away from crowded places and avoid mass gatherings. Additionally, avoid touching your face. Do wear a mask when in public and avoid touching surfaces. We can all do our part in mitigating the spread of COVID-19.